What? What? Oh.
Calling. It's Pop Scout. Tell me you got the briefcase. And nobody saw you. Scout, I'm here right now.
Oh, well, that's a funny...
Hello, Miss Pauling. We everybody and took a briefcase.
Not everybody, soldier. You left 7-6. Witnesses, guys. 77. Look, just keep the briefcase safe, okay? Have a good weekend, guys.
Goodbye, Miss Pauling. I am the van now.
Bye-bye. Okay, then. Hey, Miss Pauling, before you go,
Scout, let's say something. Scout, let's say something.
you're probably,
Scout, let's say something.
real busy this weekend, right?
Funny you should mention that. Looks like I will be bodies all weekend. So that you don't go to jail.
Oh, good. So, we're both busy.
Oh, gotta go.
Hey, look at all this. What have you two eggheads been working on? Nice.
Yeah, listen, we've been running some experiments on the teleporter. Well, y'all ought to take a look at this.
Wow, you can teleport.
Peter!
That is big news. The demo back with the because I. Ah! What the hell is that?
Among Us! Y'all know what this means, right?
We cannot teleport
Peter!
anymore.
Whoa, not exactly, soldier. You teleport as much as you like. That goes for all of you. If there's something any of y'all wanted to do before you, well, now would be a good time.
How long before these kill us?
Well, let's see. We all use the teleporter, let's say, 6 times a day, times 4 years, minus we're not...
Peter!
I don't even know.
What?
This is a bucket.
Dear God.
There's more.
No.
This dying wish of every man here. It
Dear God.
that contains the bucket.
No.
Scout, you did collect everyone's bucket.
No.
Excellent. Gentlemen, this is everyone's dying bucket. Synchronize your bucket.
No.
We have no hours to live. For most men, no time at all. We are not most men. We are
Dead.
We have the resources, the will, to make these hours count. The clock is ticking, gentlemen. Let's begin.
No.
Our first dying wish is...
Peter!
He's drawn a picture of me getting hit by a... I have something radiating off of me.
Yeah, those are stink lines. That's why the car hit him. Cause he's
Stinky.
Here you've drawn me having sexual congress with...
Peter!
Eiffel Tower having sexual congress with...
Peter!
Both of us relaxing post-coitus. I'm crying and the
Peter!
stink lines coming off of it. Did anyone besides put a card into the bucket?
Oh, man. Classic Scout.
Fantastic. This was a huge waste of my time.
You did not read mine.
Does it say you want the Eiffel Tower?
Yes.
See you all in hell.